Hello! With Android rights and pay, robots will become commonplace in a household by 2050. An expert says this will happen by 2050 as robots will be all over our homes and they will have Android rights like being treated with respect. According to Dr. Ian Pearson, as artificial intelligence advances, the computer might require payment for these services. It has been Dr. Pearson's job to look into how robotics will change in the future for the British Computer Society and Royal Society. Over the next 30 years, he thinks almost everyone will have a robot cooking for them and cleaning for them with billions of devices on the planet. He also claims that rights will be established as artificial intelligence improves. Dr. Pearson believes that robots will become more common in homes and central heating will become obsolete. He believes that in the next decades, the typical Brit will have a customizable home decor, which they will change at the flick of the button. By 2075, he says that we will no longer need to clean because electroactive polymer textile will be developed that will vibrate to shake the dirt loose. He expects robot drones will subsequently vacuum away the dirt. Surprisingly, for two reasons, futurologists also forecast that 3D printers could produce food in less than 60 years, eliminating the need for us to visit shops. Cooking introductions will be gotten from food packaging, and augmented reality will show the reality cooking guidances to people in microwaves and ovens. Smart heating will heat the person, not the room, by using direct infrared beams. Using augmented reality, you will be able to customize the decor of your home. A virtual chef can help you with a new recipe, and smart packaging and appliances will make it easier to prepare meals. By 2050, Dr. Pearson predicts that drones will clean every part of our homes, including our cars. Active Skin will allow gamers to experience full sensory virtual reality. In just 25 years, he expects 3D printers will allow Brits to print their own food. Dr. Pearson estimates there will be 9.4 billion robots in the world by 2050, or 5% more than humans. The latter now has a population of 7.6 billion people, but it's expected to grow to nearly 9 billion by 2050. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future videos.